Here it is, Muppet Lab's new hair-growing tonic. And who better to test it on than my willing and eager lab assistant, Beaker. Come on in here, Beaker. Now, you would just love to test this new hair-growing tonic, wouldn't you, Beaker? I knew he would.
Understand it.
Beaker, what were you doing in there? If you've broken that machine, I shall have to dock your salary. You're beside yourself. Oh, please, Mr. Chef, sir. I'm hiding in here. My assistant Beaker is ganging up on me.